Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Jolly Rancher hard candy. Combine sugar, corn syrup, and water in a heavy saucepan and heat to the hard crack stage, stirring gently until clear. Remove from heat, add flavored candy melts or drops, stir and pour into greased molds or onto a silicone mat. Let cool completely before breaking or wrapping pieces to keep them crisp and ready to enjoy. Start by measuring precise amounts of sugar and corn syrup and use a candy thermometer for accuracy. Stir gently to avoid introducing air bubbles and brush down sides with a wet pastry brush to prevent crystallization. When reaching hard crack at about 300 degrees F, remove from heat quickly, add flavoring and color, then pour slowly into molds. Cool fully at room temperature, then store individually wrapped to preserve texture and flavor for longer enjoyment. Quick recommendation: if you love prepping candy gifts, subscribe and like if this is helpful. It really supports the channel. I found leak-proof meal prep containers that make storing batches simple and spill-free, perfect for transporting colorful candy pieces to events or parties. They stack well, seal tight, and save fridge space when cooling large trays. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Common mistakes include overheating, premature stirring, or allowing crystals to form, which ruin clarity and texture. If crystals start, dissolve them by bringing mixture briefly back to boiling and skimming foam. If candy sets before molding, gently reheat to liquidity without exceeding hard crack. For sticky pieces, let candy dry longer or coat lightly with powdered sugar to prevent clumping. Always test one piece to confirm texture before mass pouring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.